Fitness Bolt is a fitness-focused website designed to cater to beginners, intermediate athletes, and seasoned fitness enthusiasts alike. The homepage greets visitors with a clean and modern layout, showcasing highlighted articles, popular workout plans, and trending fitness news. Navigation is intuitive, with a menu that categorizes content into training, nutrition, supplements, and news, making it easy to dive into your area of interest without unnecessary distractions. Training content is a standout feature, with well-structured workout plans covering strength training, bodybuilding, and functional fitness. Each plan is broken down into daily routines, offering precise instructions for exercises, recommended sets, and reps. For those new to fitness, the beginner-friendly guides are a welcome touch, while more advanced users will appreciate the detailed focus on progressive overload and advanced techniques. The nutrition section is equally robust, featuring meal plans tailored for various goals such as fat loss, muscle gain, and general wellness. Articles delve into the science behind macronutrient balance, meal timing, and diet trends, often citing credible studies to back claims. Users interested in supplementation will find a separate section with reviews of popular products, guidance on proper usage, and insights into the benefits and drawbacks of various supplements. Fitness Bolt does an excellent job of balancing professional advice with accessible language. Its articles and guides are visually supported by images, graphs, and videos, ensuring clarity and engagement. The blog section adds a personal touch, often including motivational stories and practical fitness challenges to keep readers inspired. The site also provides calculators for body mass index, BMI, caloric needs, and 1-rep max, making it a practical tool for fitness tracking. While the tools are helpful, they occasionally lack the customization options available in specialized apps. This might be a drawback for users with more complex fitness goals or advanced tracking needs. On the downside, Fitness Bolt relies heavily on ads for monetization, which can sometimes disrupt the browsing experience. While these ads are fitness-related, their frequent placement might distract users looking for seamless navigation. Additionally, while the supplement reviews are informative, the lack of direct links to studies can leave some readers wanting more concrete validation. Overall, Fitness Bolt provides a wealth of resources for fitness enthusiasts at all levels, combining educational content with practical tools. Its commitment to clear, well-researched advice is evident, even if a few areas could benefit from a more streamlined approach. If you're passionate about fitness and want to explore new routines, dietary strategies, or learn from experts, this site is worth exploring. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more honest reviews like this.